Hi, I'm Karif Clark, Interim Director Principal at the National College for Educational Leadership, an arm of the Ministry of Education and Youth. As we enter the 2024-2025 academic year, similar to previous academic years, there will be many possibilities and challenges waiting to become opportunities for you and your teams. School leadership is one of the most important factors that influences school and student success. But effective school leaders are most definitely highly competent and knowledgeable leaders of instruction, the organization, and the community as they transform lives. At NCEL, our endeavor is to provide world-class training and support to you, our system and school leaders, with the ultimate goal of attaining improved student outcomes. There is a school of thought that leaders are born, but at NCEL we believe firmly in education, training, and lifelong learning. We believe that these are critical to changing behaviors and dispositions, not simply by the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, attitudes, but the demonstration of what has been learned or acquired. All of us are leaders, and as we enter this academic year, I encourage you to nurture all categories of leaders in your school community, including students, staff, and parents. As Chris Hadfield shared, leadership is not about glorious crowning acts. It's about keeping your team focused on a goal and motivated to do their best to achieve it, especially when the stakes are high and the consequences really matter. Last academic year, the NCEL offered numerous opportunities to build capacity of educational leaders. We offered programs and courses such as the Effective Principals Training Program, the Aspiring Principals Program, the Inclusive School Leadership Training Program, Child Friendly School Leadership Course, Strategic Middle Leadership Initiative, Leadership for Safer Schools, Leadership and School Policy, and customized professional interventions. Additionally, we hosted several webinars that explored topics such as financial management in schools. Let me also highlight our second staging of NCEL Leadership Day 2024 under the theme Leadership for National Development, Digital Transformation, and Research Imperatives. Be sure to look out for our next staging of Leadership Day on March 20th, 2025. Plans are already underway, and the date promises to be rewarding. Colleagues, as we embark upon the 2024-2025 academic year, despite the myriad of things that will face you, I encourage you to prioritize your physical and mental health, as well as your emotional and spiritual well-being. Also, I encourage you to foster healthy and meaningful relationships among team members. As John Maxwell said, you can care for people without leading them, but you cannot lead them effectively without caring for them. Unfortunately, during the last academic year, we had to bid earthly farewell to some of our colleagues and school leaders due to varying circumstances. I use this opportunity to acknowledge their immeasurable contributions to nation building through education and community service. May their legacies be manifested through the lives they have touched and inspired, and may their souls rest in peace. With each new academic year, there is some amount of newness. New students, new staff, new systems, new policies, new ideas. Newness requires change, and change is not always easy for everyone. But remember the importance of sharing the vision and getting that buy-in from your stakeholders. All leaders, whether at the classroom level or the administrative level, will be navigating change. As you go about changing what needs to be changed and refining what has proven worthy, always keep in mind that changes impact people differently. This is where, as leaders, we demonstrate and hone our emotional intelligence. The team at the NCEL looks forward to the continued partnerships as we remain committed to providing cutting-edge, relevant, and contextually proven learning solutions and opportunities to support you. I encourage you to visit our website, ncel.gov.jm, and be sure to follow us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Our handle is @NCEL Jamaica. I wish for you a very successful and rewarding academic year ahead as we all work together to transform education for national development.